Mabuhay! Welcome to my vlog, my Mabuhay years. For this afternoon, I'm here in Lang Municipal Hall, Lang Town Plaza Rejuvenation, because I'm already having my independence. Since June 1, my Independence Day started. Undisturbed, with all the freedom, anywhere, anytime. I can go, I can post, I can have my vlog, whatever I want. So this is now updates of Langtown Plaza, including the Langtown Hall. So this is especially for those who are in abroad, Langilinos, like to share to you our contemporary Mlang. Okay, Mlang, my birthplace. I love Mlang. It's it, and we have also tricycle parking here. For those who will be going out to the municipal hall, they can easily take the ride wherever they are going back. So have a glimpse of Langtown Plaza at this moment, the afternoon, past 2 o'clock. Okay. We have our signage here, Mlang. I love Mlang. This is one of the beauty spot. We Langilinos used to have our photo shoots, our vlogs, and even those who will be visiting or who visited Mlang, they love to have their posts and posts at this location, the landmark of Mlang. I love Mlang. Okay, and there on the left side is also located the Lang Children's Park, where not only children but also the adult can have their relaxation anytime they want to rejuvenate and be relaxed, chill, without any entrance fee. Okay, just go here and relax yourself. Okay, sharing you the updates now if what is happening in the contemporary town of Lang. Okay, so we are done on this part. Let's I think we'll have a tour somewhere there. We just yesterday, we celebrate the Happy Independence Day, 126th anniversary of Declaration of Philippine Independence Day. So this is we have the many flags being hung here, sign of freedom and Independence Day. Let's have our tour. Sharing you glimpses of town of Lang, Langilinos. Let's go on. It's nice having my walkthrough here in Langtown Plaza. The contemporary Langtown Plaza. So nice. Enjoy your eyes as I tour you around. Let's go. Join me in our unpacking of the contemporary town of Lang. Another beautiful spot for picture is this area. Yes, the round ball. We have also the round ball here. So nice. And over there, the newly renovated, reconstructed, restructured the bandstand with a new design, still under the acacia tree. Trees are really very helpful to us because it gives us our shelter, the coolest place to rejuvenate. I think I shall never see a poem as lovely as the tree. Wow, I remember that poem by Joyce C. Kilmer. I love to memorize it during my high school and elementary days, but now it seems I forgot some of the words, but I would like to rewind it again and memorize. So presenting to you the newly rehabilitated, reconstructed, the bandstand of Lang. Usually the different occasions are held on this bandstand, like Independence Day, celebration programs including Teachers Day, DepEd celebration, Town Fiesta, and Foundation Anniversary. Okay, so this is good. This is my sharing to you of the latest in the town of Lang. Oh, look at that. Mabuhay here, especially our cum Langileños abroad. We have a new bandstand now with the new administration of Honorable Mayor Attorney Russell Magno Abonado, and our Vice Mayor is Vice Mayor Joselito Piñol. So under the new administration with their Kagawan. And here, furthermore, I would like to point my camera. There are different, I do not know how they call this one, cottages, or wherein those people would like to have their relaxation or they have transaction in Lang Town Hall. They can also have their time to relax on this area. There's no entrance fee. So what are you waiting for? Come now, my cum Langileños, and join me as I have my relaxation, my chilling time, being the free one. I just recently regained my freedom, and this is this coincide with the celebration of yesterday's June 12 Independence Day. This is an area wherein it's good for unpacking, walking and walking, walk through, unpacking, unlocking, whatever you want. I'm planning to have my biking, but it seems there's no one, there's no in charge here. Okay, what happened? They're closed. It's not no lunchtime. You are closed? Okay, is the bike open? Can I have my biking? Yeah, just I will just have my vlog muna. So the Plum Town Plaza, they are having also biking activities. Okay, I will pay later ha. I will vlog muna. Okay lang sir. So can I interview? Oh, how much is 15 minutes sir biking?
30 minutes, 25.
25 for senior. Do we have discount senior?
Out.
Walang discount?
Sa kabila yung malaki kasi.
Malaki, okay. So can I have? I will have a ride later. You are the in charge, sir, here.
I'm charged doon, iba yung...
You're not employed there? You are not employed? Okay. So just introduce yourself. You are sir Nono Tabilia. Yeah. Okay. So thank you, sir Nono. I will vlog muna ha. I will go around. So these are the bike. Okay, bike. Okay, we have also the little one. Yeah, the pink one. There's the red. I love the red color. Wow. Okay, so let's have a ride later on this. 25 minutes. Supposing I will just have my 15 minutes. Okay. This is the bike. Wow. Okay, we'll have it later. We'll have the vlog muna. Ouch. Another color, the orange one. The black one. And of course, this is for, I think, babies. Yeah. You can bring your little one here and enjoy a ride of this. Okay. Other bicycle available. Have a glimpse. They have also green color. And the big one, the blue bicycle. It's so amazing. Well, let's have it later, but let's share muna the latest of Langtown Plaza. This is used to be the fountain, but I think it's not functioning now. Or they have an area of fountain, but it's not on operation. I have also there my beauty spot, the stones, the white stones. That's my favorite spot also. And over there, the monument of Jose Rizal. So it's a wide biking area. Kids, the young ones, and the ones was young can enjoy every activity here, including the biking activity. Okay, that's Rizal Monument, our national hero. So it's past 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I think there are only few people here for this moment, but by 4 o'clock, this area will be jam-packed with many people, from the kids, the adults, and everyone, the teenagers. It's a wide space. Okay, this is it. A day in Langtown Plaza. My walkthrough, unlocking, unpacking, enjoying life to the fullest every minute, because life is so priceless. So priceless. Precious. Okay, join me as I share you some more. The town plaza is also filled with trees. Yeah, I love that one. And over there, that trees having orange color. I do not know what is the name of that tree, but I love that. I want something colorful. I want my life colorful. Okay. It's nice having my walking exercise, my walkthrough. So for now, this is my short glimpses sharing you a day in Langtown Plaza, in the life of a vlogger, of a full-time vlogger. No other than your vlogger. No other than it's me, Mama Buhay, Mom Darna, and Mom Selfie Queen, but now a full-time vlogger. So continue to subscribe to my YouTube Mabuhay channel and my one page, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, to Facebook account, Erlinda Bing Basilio. Rindon. And of course, my YouTube is the one wearing red gown and the yellow t-shirt. YouTube Mabuhay channel. I have 2 Mabuhay channel. Please subscribe, comment, follow me, and like, share my YouTube Mabuhay channel, including my Facebook account and also my page, Erlinda Rindon. So for now, I am your vlogger, live and alive here in Mlang Town Plaza. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Good morning in the afternoon means new hope, new life, new beginning. So you can greet now, good morning, the afternoon, the evening, which is correct because it's always a beginning and a new hope. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay! Signing off your vlogger, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, or Mabuhay. Mabuhay, the Silpy Queen, and Ma'am Darna, and all of these AKA. Thank you for watching my YouTube, Mabuhay channel. If you count all my vlogs, all my reels. God bless everyone. Mabuhay until my next vlog. Thank you.